Okay, CMD you have to type. In command prompt you have to type ipconfig, ipconfig, all small letter ipconfig. Okay, so in ipconfig, after you enter ipconfig, it will display IPv4 address, IPv4 address. Okay, note down that IP address. The format is like 192.168.0. something like this. The format will be. Okay. So your your laptop will be connected to hotspot. Alright. And one more thing, you write it down next one. We have to switch off the firewall of the laptop. Okay. So you have to search firewall, and inside there is an option called turn off firewall. Turn off firewall.
Switch off.
There is an option turn off firewall. Just you have to, two options will be there. You have to click. I will show you the laptop also. So this is for laptop setup. Okay. And one more step is run NetBeans server. NetBeans server. Next, we have to connect this to your hotspot. But here no display, nothing is there. How can we connect to your hotspot? For that, what we'll do, we will use one mobile phone, any other mobile phone, not that hotspot one, any other mobile phone. So write it down. In another mobile phone, before that you have to, what you have to do, you have to keep power supply. You just connect it and switch on. While you switch on, light and this light. So in another mobile phone, in Wi-Fi, mobile phone, switch on the Wi-Fi and search for incubator in Wi-Fi. Okay. So this is mobile phone. I am going to search for in this mobile phone. I am going to Wi-Fi and search for incubator. See here, incubator is showing.
Yes, sir.
There is no password, so just if you click here, it will connect to incubator. Okay, connect to incubator. Next step, open browser and type 192.168.4.1. 192.168.4.1. Enter. Before that, switch off the mobile data. Okay, switch off the mobile data. So when you type 192.168.4.1, it will show all the networks currently available near to you. Okay. So you have opened your hotspot also mobile. That hotspot name also here it will display. Like this guest is our Anspros Wi-Fi. So what I'll do, I'll first try to connect to Anspros. So you can write it down. Then from the list connect to your hotspot. From the list connect to your hotspot. Connect to hotspot. There are 3 steps below that. So 3 fields we have to fill up. Three fields: SSID, password, and server IP.
SSID.
SSID, password, and server IP. And server IP. In SSID, whatever your hotspot name.
Okay.
Our is guest. So I'll type GUEST. Guest. Okay. Then password will be your hotspot password. Our is guest at 07. Next is the IP address. IP address will be your laptop IP address that you have earlier set it up, na?
Yes.
So laptop IP address. Okay. Then submit. Last step is submit. Then what you do? You just clear the screen from here. You click it here and clear it. Clear the browser tab or close the browser tab. Why I am saying that browser tab data will be stored, na? Next time, each time you have to switch up and switch on, you have to do the settings. So what happens? Switch off, switch on. Again you open the browser. But in browser, the data is already stored, na? Your old hotspot name. So when you open the browser, it will automatically take that old data. So you have to clear. You have to start fresh browser. So old data should not reflect.
Every time we switch on that,
Uh-huh.
we should connect to the. We should repeat the
These
process.
steps. So that because you may be using different hotspot different day, your laptop may have different IP address different day. So that's the process. Okay. Once this is done, this device will be connected to your laptop with that laptop IP address. So communication will be established.